In this video I'm going to show you how to record in Windows 11. It doesn't require you to install any special software, it's all including Windows. Let's just show you how to do it. Okay, let's show you how to use the screen recording function of Windows 11. As I say, this does not require you to install any software, it's just all built into it. So Windows 11, go to the Start menu, type in Snipping Tool, and now this is not for screenshots, this is for videos. Okay, so Snipping Tool. There we have it. So Snipping Tool is open. Notice I'm in the camera, so this is just for normal screenshots. You want to use this function, which is the video function. So click on the video, and then click on New, and then highlight the area that you want to record. So we'll highlight all of that area there. Then click Start. 3, 2, 1, and here we have it. So if I was just to go through these bits, this is my YouTube channel. There we go. So we'll go through all of that, so we can see that it works nicely. I'll go to a different tab just to show you that it's definitely working, and then I will stop it. You've got pause at the top as well. If you pause, you can then press play just to carry on. If you press the bin icon, it's just going to delete it. Okay, so you don't want to do that. But I'll click stop. Now I've clicked stop. I'm still in this in the snipping tool. I'm in the video function. I'll make it a bit smaller. There we have it. So this is the video. Down the bottom, I've got play icon. I'll press play. You can see that it's going through it. So this is the video that I did. So remember, I went to all different channels. So this video, you can go forward and backwards and so forth. I'll pause that. What you need to do up here is go to Save As. Give it a name. So I'll call it Screen Recording V1. That's a terrible name. Should have something better. But anyway, I'll press save on that. And then you go to the folder it saved it in. In this case, it saved it in this videos folder. Let's go to videos, and then we have, what was it? Screen Recording V1. There you go. Click on that. You can see, I'll get rid of all these, but you can see that's the video recording working. Then if you want to edit it, you need to use a different tool to edit it. But anyway, that is exactly how you screen record in Windows 11 without any special software installed. It's all on there, and hopefully you found this video useful. Anyway, if you like the video, if you've got any questions, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, it all helps, and happy screen recording in Windows 11.